the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Cryptoanalysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. So, nothing really exciting, nothing has happened with the price, but I did want to make an update video and kind of just focus on everything, like the technicals, the price action. We'll check the Ether scan to see if anything has happened, and it looks like obviously we're getting more and more holders every single day, so that's a really good sign. And again, keep in mind 150,000 holders is nothing to look away from. So the Binance Peg token wallet is still holding 13 trillion, valued at 2.5 million. I don't think that there are any other transactions sent there, but we could always look. Yeah, so the last one was 50 billion. So let's look at the Burn wallet to see if miraculously there has been, so this null dead wallet that has around $200,000. So yeah, the last time that any amount was sent was 29 days ago from OKX, which was 49 million. So it's still around 1 trillion coins that have been burned by Dogelon Mars. So now that we got that out the way, we could quickly look at the website. I'm really hoping they do come out with an update website where they kind of integrate their Twitter and just like feed and news. Where you could go here. It's like it'll be like a one-stop shop kind of deal. But again, I'm sure it's in the works. Everyone has wants, everyone has things that they can say. But the truth is that they're executing on what they believe is going to contribute to the project, and I'm all for it. So nothing there. It's still the same. So let's look at the RSI and see where it is in stock RSI. So as you can see, the stock RSI is going back up. Obviously, we knew that the price was going to go up because we were peak bearish, and then we're going to have some sort of reversal, which we did. The RSI is still in the oversold area, so don't expect expect a big move up, if anything, at this point, because usually when it's down here, you are going to get big moves up. So again, I do think that we are going to be consolidating, followed by a move up. I don't think we're going to go back down. But again, always keep in mind that if we do go back down, we have to mark these support levels. So as you can see, we didn't quite hit the 618. We were a little bit off. At the 618 is around 1660, 1672. I think we hit 17. It was like around 17. So we didn't really hit it. But as you can see, we did kind of quote unquote bounce from around the 618. And we are getting stuck at the 2 resistance points, which coincides with the 236 from the high to the low. So the good thing is that regardless, we are still maintaining an uptrend, I guess you can say. Even if you don't count that as the uptrend, you can still kind of move the goalpost here. And if you really want 1 tag, 2 tag, and hopefully there won't be 3 tags, but if you this is just pure hopium, right? So we can say that we're in this we are still maintaining this uptrend, so theoretically we could come and hit this again, kind of like what happened here. So I could do this exact same structure here, but the thing is that here it actually fell down. So theoretically, again, you could go back up, retag this, followed by accumulation. And I do think that hopefully this time we get a breakout instead of a breakdown, because that is also possible, right? Where it does the same thing here, like a bear flag, and then it drops, bear flag, drops. But again, I'm not saying that for FUD or whatever, but I'm saying that because I don't care what you think, I don't care what I think. Always, 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 especially in crypto, you should know that the price can always go down, right? For people that were accumulating here, those are probably the salty people that are like, oh, Dogelon Mars is a scam, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, it's because everyone that bought here bought during the bear market. And especially if you don't buy it when the RSI is extremely oversold, then you would be absolutely getting wrecked, right? So the reason why I'm also saying that is because, again, keep in mind that what that's going to do is going to kind of probably do that, and then followed by a big drop, kind of like, here, here, and then here, this length. So keep that in mind. On the other side, in a bull market, you stay over here, right? So you tag the overbought, and you kind of stay in the overbought, and it makes higher highs. You see that? But this window of opportunity only lasts like what, like 2 weeks, or like a month or two. It's not that big. So a coin falls for 3 years and it gets everything back within 2 weeks. So just be patient and wait, because again, if this doesn't play out, if this does play out, then most likely we are going to go back up, and hopefully at that point we go parabolic, tag the 1618, and then do the same thing that happened here over here, which is exactly what Dogecoin is doing. So it's kind of like we're kind of behind Dogecoin's chart, right? We're in the first section of Dogecoin. In my other videos, I actually show charts that explain that. So let me refresh that, because that's how I can get my. I found out that's an easy way to like get it completely wiped. So anyway, I hope that made sense. If it didn't, then I don't know how else to explain it, and I'm not going to explain it any other way. So from the high to the low, as you can see, we're still not above the 236. So once we get over the 236, hopefully we go back up to 382. But again, keep in mind that that's what happened here, right? So I'm not saying we're going to double top and we're going to fall off. We might continue up. The real goal would be to break past the 382 this time and hit the 0.5 at least, because then we'll know that we're making higher highs. And at that point, it'll be RSI overbought, RSI overbought, RSI overbought, higher high, higher high, higher high. So anyway, those are my targets. I just want to keep you guys focused, keep myself focused, be patient. Don't buy when just, my opinion, don't buy when it's like going up. You want to buy when the RSI is oversold. And I'm like, I'm not gonna buy unless it's in the red. Like, it hit here and it wasn't in the red, and I still didn't buy, right? So like, you really want to take advantage of these opportunities, because looking back, you're gonna be like, man, this was a good buy zone. Man, this was a good buy zone. This was a good buy zone. Not necessarily this, because we're in a bear market, so keep that in mind. But in a bear market, we also don't know how low the price can go. So that's when you want to buy, because you're minimizing your risks. So like, theoretically, if you had bought here and it fell, you would only be down 58% total, right? So like, you put in $1,000, you're at $430. That's not that bad compared to like, if you're, I'm just gonna randomly buy like here, or like here, let's just say. So that's like, your $1,000 is $80. So yeah, that's going to demoralize you, and it's going to like absolutely wreck you. So anyway, I hope that all made sense. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. I'll keep you guys updated. Obviously, hopefully we get back above a $200 million market cap, or really $1 billion, but we'll see when that happens. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for all of your support and positive comments and your likes. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.